Hello, this is Sharon from the Energy Recovery Program. I'm very happy to be sharing this journey with you as you reclaim your health from burnout and exhaustion and fatigue into more wholeness and happiness within your daily life. Okay, so this session is quite a gentle introduction to the 12 weeks. I'd like to share with you one method from Shin Jyutsu, which you can use to alleviate some of the effects of exhaustion and burnout and depletion in your body, and also to introduce you to the essences that you're going to be using in the first 4 weeks of this cycle. Okay, so we'll begin with the Shin Jyutsu hold, and it's very simple, it's very effortless. It seems very straightforward, it is very straightforward, but actually the effect it has on the body is very profound because it helps to alleviate the effects of the physical run when we've been exerting ourselves physically for any length of time, but particularly if we've been doing it for several years. Okay, so it's very simple. All I'm going to invite you to do is to go to your little finger of either hand, it doesn't matter which one you choose. So just simply go to your little finger and just place the opposite hand around it, just quite gently. There's no need to squeeze or push. I mean, we always have a tendency when we learn something to want to kind of put effort in. What we're actually learning to do is to reverse that pattern, and we're taking effort out. Okay, so simply hold the little finger, and I then invite you just to drop your shoulders and breathe out. And just sit like that, just for a few moments. Just bring your attention to your breath. And just noticing, we're not changing anything here, we're just observing. By simply holding the little finger, we help to reverse all the effects of when we've been trying too hard. We've been putting too much effort in to any aspect of our lives. So this simple hold helps to replenish the physical body. It helps to nourish the energy that goes to the heart, and it helps to relax the spine as well. And you can give yourself this gift anytime that you want. You can, if you wish to develop a practice, then you can set some time aside and sit and hold this as a part of a daily practice. Or if at the moment that just feels too overwhelming because you've got far too many things to do, that's absolutely fine. Just simply go to your little finger anytime that you feel you want to. You could be perhaps waiting for the kettle to boil, or you could be in a queue at the supermarket, or you could be in a queue at the library or anywhere. And just whenever you have a few moments to yourself, just simply hold the little finger, drop your shoulders and breathe out. And just by bringing this into your daily life at this early stage, you can very effectively help to reverse a lot of the symptoms of lack of energy. Okay, so you can spend as long on that as you wish. Okay, so that's our beginning with our Shin Jyutsu. The other thing I'd like to share with you are they introduce you to your essences that you're going to be working with over the next 3 months. The first lot of essences that you will be working with is what we call the phase 1 essences. These are very helpful for deep rest, okay, helping to rejuvenate the body and helping to unravel and restore the effects of severe depletion and overwhelm. So you'll find in your package that you have 3 bottles. You want to work with this one first, the one with the bluebell, pretty bluebell picture on the front. And the bluebell essence is very good for helping us to kind of really calm the mind down. If you've got quite a busy mind, then the bluebell essence helps with that. We've also got in this bottle the grape hyacinth essence, which is very good for drowning out external noise. So if you've got a lot of not just physical noise, as in terms of noise around you, but also sort of energetic noise, like other people's opinions and that kind of thing. Great hyacinth is also in this bottle. And there's also white chestnut. And white chestnut is a very beautiful essence to help us to occupy the body rather than the mind. So helping us to come out of the body and, coming out of the mind and into the body, so that we can really inhabit our physical space and begin the process of developing a new relationship with our whole being. And then we also have in here red poppy. Red poppy is a very key essence to help to reverse the effects of any emotional shock or trauma, or any time when the body's been under a lot of duress, very difficult circumstances. Red poppy comes in and helps to kind of really rebalance the whole system. And then we've also got nettle, and nettle essence helps to purify the body. Nettle is very purifying, and also helps to alleviate EMF, which we'll be coming on to in another session. But for now, nettle is purifying. And then finally, almond. And almond is one of our key essences for sustainability, for as we go through this journey of learning how to sustain our energy system in quite a new way. So we'll uncover more about these essences as we go by, but just wanted to give you that overview for today. So to take your essence, all you simply do is undo the lid, and it will come in a little dropper like this. So simply take 5 drops, either directly in the mouth or under the tongue. Under the tongue's better because it goes into the energy system more quickly. Or if you prefer not to, perhaps even though there is a tiny bit of organic vodka, if the taste of it is too strong for you, then you can place your drops into water and sip slowly. So I would advise that you do that twice a day, first thing in the morning and last thing at night. Okay, so that's simple as that. So it's very good to just keep this by your bed so that you don't worry about forgetting, just get into the habit of keeping your bottle by your bed, and that makes it really easy for you. So just simply take 5 drops first thing in the morning and last thing at night. Okay, so that's the first lot of essences you're going to be taking for 1 month. Okay, then we move into other phases. There's also a snowdrop spray for you to begin using, and the snowdrop essence is very good for clearing stagnant energy, stuck energy, and it's very purifying, it's very cleansing. And as we go through this program, we're going to be releasing quite a lot of old ways of being, old patterns, so it's quite good to kind of keep refreshing the energy system as we go. So to use your snowdrop spray, simply give it a little shake and then mist into your own aura. Just a few little sprays there. Oh, it's very lovely for just really cleansing and refreshing the system. And you can also use this spray as a room spray. So spray it into your room, into your space, and it also helps to kind of clear the energy in this space as well. In our next session, week 2, we're going to be looking at specifically clearing energy in the bedroom. This is particularly good for a spray to kind of clear energy there. We're going to be taking a good look at what we call sleep hygiene next week. But for now, I just want you to begin gently with yourself, and also congratulate yourself for being committed to your own health and wholeness. And yes, have a very easy week. So remember, just simply holding the little finger, no effort, drop the shoulders and breathe out. And just introduce that into your day wherever you can. Okay, and I shall see you next week. Okay, bye for now.